Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch Paramount Plus for free. So if you've heard that there is a hidden trick to unlock Paramount Plus without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is that there isn't a legitimate way to permanently watch Paramount Plus for free because Paramount Plus requires an active subscription to access its movies, TV shows, and live sports. So you need to be cautious of websites or apps claiming to provide free Paramount Plus accounts since many are scams or could put your personal information at risk. So if you're a new customer in an eligible country, Paramount Plus may occasionally offer an official free trial. You may also find promotional offers through selected mobile carriers, internet providers, or streaming bundles depending on your region. To check whether any offers are available, you need to visit the official Paramount Plus website and review the current subscription options. So that was the truth about watching Paramount Plus for free. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.